Hi everyone, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we got Steve here in the Bestop Jeep. He's going to tell us all about the core doors and the Supertop Ultra. Check it out.
Hey guys, this is Steve with Bestop. Came by Earl Owen today to kind of give him a show and tell on the some of the newer products we have from Bestop. First of all, I want to just go through the Bestop Jeep with you a little bit. We have the Bestop bumpers, of course, on the front and back, something we've had for a long time. And as we head to the back of the unit, I wanted to show you the core doors. The core doors are an all aluminum frame core of the door that has removable inserts that come out and make your Jeep more of a frame unit, so that you can have these on the front and back and have the flexibility of being open but yet still have door features. It does use our standard door frames for the uppers, so you can use it that way too. The other thing that we have going for us today is what people really like is the Supertop Ultra. The Supertop Ultra kind of starts out as a sunrider. In other words, you can unhook your latches. One person can take and fold up the top single-handedly, have the front and the back seat open for everybody. That stays open even at highway speeds. You don't have to worry about it. The nice thing about this top too, if you want to go all the way and take everything down, it's pretty well the same thing. Once you take the windows and such out, everything folds into the tub of the Jeep. All of the Bestop products come out with a twill fabric, which is a lifetime warranty too. So, pretty big factor when you're getting around to buying a new top. Thanks for taking a look at the Jeep, and if you have any questions, give the guys at Earl Owen a call.